This is a short introduction about CO2 laser cutting machine. This is a glass tube inside the paper box. Water cooling device. Those are water tube. This is a rotary device. This is toolbox. That is the air pump. Air tube for the air pump, the blue one. This machine is for blowing the air and its tube. We open the toolbox, find the key. The key are all same. Open this lock. Remove that part from the machine. Lift up that cover. We take the glass tube out of from the machine. You have to be very carefully. Hand it with care. Open that paper box. Lift up this cover. This position is for place the glass tube. Those two black plastic rings are for tighten the glass tube. We can lose the screws. Please ref the way that the video shows. We can remove the top part first. After loosening those screws, you can put the top part on the other side. Now we remove the other one. Now we can take out the glass tube. Please be careful because this is made by the glasses. You should handle it with care. Maybe you can have two persons to do this together. Please ref the way that the video shows. This is a low voltage line inside of the machine. We place the tube on that plastic ring. Please notice the labels on the glass tube. This side up. You should put it in very slowly and carefully. And turn around the glass tube lightly to the right angle. This red line is from the glass tube, and this one should connect it to the high voltage line, the red one. Those two lines should be welded together. You can find the black web tube inside of the toolboxes. Please ask your electricity engineer to do this. When you're doing this, please ref the way that the video shows. Please use the weld gun to make this two cable connect well. Doing this, better to ask your electricity engineer to do this. Move the black web to that weld position and use the light tiny to warm up to make sure that the black web is in the good position. Or you can use this tape. Your electricity engineer should know this kind of tape to wrap it well. Please ref the way that the video shows. You can see in the video that our engineer wrapped this position many times. This is a low voltage side. Connect these two cables together. This side is easy. Find that red tube and connect this to the glass tube. Please ref the position that the video shows. If you find it is too hard to connect it, you can put that white top in the water for a few seconds to make it easier. On the other side, there is another red tube. We have to connect it on this position that the video shows. If you find it is so hard to connect together, you can put that top in the water for a few seconds to make it soft. We already marked the two lines on the glass tube for you to easily find the position. When you tightly move the glass tube, you should be very careful. Please see the position that the video point. This side should be very careful. Don't hit on that side. Tiny movement. Handle it with care. We can make that black two lines just up that ring. This is a water cooling device. Those are two tubes for the water cooling device. This tube for water outlet, you should connect to the place for the water in. Outlet to the water in. The tube from the inlet should connect to the water out. We plugged it in. If you find it difficult in doing this, just put that head in the water, like the video shows. This is a cable for the water cooling device. You can plug it in that position. This is the alarm line for the water cooling device. This one should connect it to the water cooling device. As you can see in the video, please ref the way that the video shows. This is the air pump. Please ref the way that the video shows how to fix the air pump. Tighten it. Find the blue air tube. This side, please plug in that air in position. And the other side connected to the air pump. Please see the video shows. Please be noticed that this side are not allowed to put in the water because for the blowing air.